Hello, so in order to access the hidden menu of Toyota CHR, you have to start the car without holding the brake. Okay, first step. Second step, after the display will open, hold this button, and while holding you have to turn off and on the lights 3 times. I'll pause the video while I'm doing this. Okay, so now we have this menu. After we turned on and off the lights, let's check here in failure diagnosis system check. If we had some errors, we should see them here. So everything is okay, as you can see. Next one, function check settings. This one is for calibrating the screen. Okay. Microphone check. Vehicle settings. Good. Here, if you want to update the software, but it's not the case here. And some other informations. This is the code if you need to search some wire diagrams or something like that. The code of the head unit. And that's pretty much everything. And in order to exit this menu, you can switch directly to the car, and that's all.